Hey, it's Gina with WTI. When I step out of the shower, I want a bath mat that is going to be soft and absorbent and feel good on my feet. I love this set that I got from TOMORO. These are 100% cotton and they are soft, but beyond that, they're really pretty. I really love the design on these. It has kind of like a chevron look to it and it really complements my bathroom style. We only have one bathroom, but I went ahead and got the 2 set. It's nice to have an extra one on hand so that when I wash the one that we're using, I have one ready to go right away until the other one is clean. The company is so kind and they sent an anti-slip mat to put underneath it. And that's really nice because it gives me peace of mind that I'm not going to slip on it, and I can trust that when I have it on the floor, anyone in my family or friends that might be over, they're not going to slip either. These are really good quality. They're thick. You can tell right away that they were made well and that they're going to last for a long time. I got the color beige. I would say that these are a little bit more on the yellow side, and I think that it can complement many different colors nicely. If you're looking for new bath mats, these are the ones to get, but that's just my point of view.